interest of streaming every day is too much. Right? Just to get only 1,000 subscribers. And for people to get to watch my long form videos, another problem. It's another problem. How are we going about this?
See, you don't need to film every day to get your 1,000 subscribers, or even to drag traffic to your long form videos. All you need to do is just use one single tools. These tools will help you to divide those your long form videos that you thought that did not perform very well. Those long form videos can also blow up your channel if you use these single tools to divide them into viral clips. One of the most interesting thing about this clip is that it's going to optimize it for viral. It's not only giving you thousands of subscribers, they're also going to drag traffic to your long form videos, giving your channel a maximum visibility. And the biggest interesting part of it is that, do you know that YouTube is massively and heavily promoting short form content, and this short will bring visibilities back to your long form videos and thousands of subscribers to your channel? If you miss any part, you may not be able to get the exact results that you're expecting to get. Let me show you. It's very simple. And go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Click on this YouTube. You go and copy the link of the video you want to use for this work. So go back. What I'll do is I'll go straight to your video. For those long form videos that did not perform well on your channel. Now I'll take this one. Let's say this is the one I want to use. I will take share. When I will click share, copy the link of that video. We have copied the link. Then we'll go straight to that app. We'll go to Opus Clip. Click on Chrome. Type your Opus Clip. .io. That's the one I use. Why I use this one is that it's watermark free. It doesn't leave watermark for it. And also this one will also give you titles for that same shot. The very viral caption for that shot that you upload. So and these titles are optimized to go viral. So that is one thing I like about this very particular one. So what happens is that you click on the try way in video now. This is where we click on this green place here. Data. It doesn't take time at all and doesn't consume too much data on your phone. So you just have patience with it. So it has come. That link we collected will come to this place and press it. Press the link. This is the link of that video. So we'll click on this green button here. Depending on how long your long form video is. If you have about 9-minute long form video, 13-minute long form video, it's going to cut it into different. It can even give you up to 10 to 15 shots from that long form videos. And it's going to target the most interesting part of that long form video. Divide them into short clips. Give you a very catchy title that can attract people to watch your videos. Look at it here. It has given us the video. Now it said 1 click to grasp moment instantly. So just click on this place, this green place. This is where now I ask you to log in to your email. This is very simple. What you do, just click with continue with Google. Just patiently allow you to load properly. Asking you which Gmail do you want to use for this. Let's just pick one. Pick this one. So it has come to this place. You click continue. Now, this is the video that you collected. So we'll now come to this place, click here. Then look at it, it's loading. So you don't need to every day keep creating content and keep editing and keep filming videos. You just go back to those your long form videos to use them to get more visibility to your long form video. This is the smartest strategies that big creators use every to get maximum visibilities to their channel. Short form content is currently being promoted by YouTube. Okay, shorts are coming. The most interesting moment. So click on the first one, then we'll click find. So you are going to tell it to give you the most interesting moment. So those most interesting moments are the ones that this very clip is going to give us, going to generate them for us. Is already giving us. Let's count how many we have gotten. This is 5-minute video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see, it has given us up to 9 to 10. Look at it. It has divided everything. And also look at the caption that is posted. It said the speaker highlights the government silence and inaction regarding the suffering of the citizens. So these are it gives you the caption, the title. Yes, you look at it here. One video I produced all of this. Can you come to this arrow here? Click on this download here. Now it said export. Now I ask you to put your title. The title, it has already put the title for us. It says ensure that the video you use complies with the copyright law. By proceeding, you confirm that the original video is yours or is your own content. And this does not mean the content must be the one that you created by yourself. You can also use React videos. You can use your AI videos, but make sure the video you use is not copyrighted video. Don't use any video that has copyright for it. So use your own video. Use your video, either your AI, faceless channels, face channels, or whatever content you are creating. I will accept here. Good, it has marked. The next thing I do, export. It's exporting this to my gallery. So it depends on the phone you use. If you are using iPhone, it's going to give you options to take it straight to CapCut or take it to a gallery or take it straight to YouTube. But I suggest you take it to CapCut. Another thing with this is that the moment this thing generates every shot, all the shots for you, quickly download everything out. Because within 24 hours, it's going to expire for that particular video. So if you come back here again, you may not see this shot again. And as you can see this shot, there is no watermark on it. This is one thing I like this very app. You take it to CapCut. You go back to your CapCut ratio. So we click on 9.16. Add caption to it. Okay. Save it. If you find value on this video, if you have learned one or two things from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to get to other